How to set your Facebook story highlights to only me on Android. This tutorial shows you how to hide your highlights from everyone else on your profile before it opens. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and head over to your profile. After that, scroll down and tap on any of your highlights to open it. From there, tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Edit Highlight. At this point, you'll notice that the only thing you can change here is the name. And at the top, you can clearly see that highlights are set to public by default with no direct option to change it from here. In the next step, go back to your profile page and tap the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Following this, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. Once done, scroll down until you reach the Audience and Visibility section. From here, tap on Stories since highlights are essentially made up of your stories and share the same visibility settings. At this stage, tap on Who Can See Your Stories to open the audience options. Finally, select Only Me and your stories and highlights will immediately be hidden from everyone else on your profile. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide your Facebook highlights on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.